Coming up in this video, Escape Goat Racing hits Binegar for a wild weekend of mud, madness and mechanical carnage. We arrived ready for action, but Saturday had other plans: snapped control arms, a transfer box explosion, CV joints that just didn't want to work. But did we give up? Of course not. Stick around to see if we make it to the finish line on Sunday, because this is off-road racing the Escape Goat way.
Coffee, tea. What would you like? Take your pick. Tea, please. Have you got a mug? Yes. What mug have you got? Like the pink one? The pink one? Where's the pink one? I don't know. Could you please go and find it? Yes.
So what has happened is some bits have come off. Oh, look at that!
Might need a bigger ratchet strap, to be honest.
Yep.
Clean that a little bit so you can see. It was doing some clanking.
A lot of your clanking is your exhaust, by the way.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Your exhaust rattles like fuck when you go around some of the bits.
And I was like, it's driving fine. Connor's like, but it's clanking lots. And like, it's driving okay.
Lightly drive, Charles.
Try and lightly drive. Okay.
Yeah. Drive. There you go. Now you gotta get out now. Good lad. Oh, too far now. Right, pull it down now.
Okay, I'm going to leave them by there and go see what's wrong with the Jimny, which is just around the corner. Over here, I think they've just done the same thing. But I'm going to have a little look.
That's like, oh, that could be a job.
Oh,
There's a bit missing on the end of
Yeah.
that side.
I'm not the mechanic of the team, right? But I'm guessing that's broken.
The other half's over there, it's about 2 pieces. Just on the table, on the side next to Jack. On the floor.
Ah.
You shock in first again. I thought it would.
No, this one needs to go in.
Yeah, you shock.
Eh?
So it's that 8.5 was that?
It is Sunday morning, I'm hanging on a tree. It is the last day here at the Nationals, round number 1 at Binegar, and it's been tough. It's been a tough race, but this time, so for Sunday, they just reversed the track on us. If you were paying attention, they've just been putting all classes in at the same time the whole weekend, which has been interesting. We've had an evening, we had to do some fixes last night, but we were back up and running and ready to go. So they're just lining everyone up. Going to be coming through here, but they've just reversed the hill, so they're going up a big steep hill, go to the top, do a little U-turn, come back down, and then there's a new descent that they haven't been down yet. Now I've parked myself by here because it's pretty steep. I mean, props to all you drivers, you're pretty brave going down there, so I'll be at the bottom to capture it for you. There we go. So Chelsea's just coming down now to line up on the track. No sign of little Jim, but they were suiting up when I came down. The rocks have been really tough this time, so they haven't actually made it around the track. I think they did, like, for qualifying, like pre-running, they did a lap then, but since then, once those big trucks go through and change the track, like, they've been stuck. So it's been a real bit of a challenge, but it's reversed now, so maybe they've got a good chance. Hopefully this is going to be a good race. We've got 3 today, so we've got 2 shorter heats, this one and then 1 more, and then they're going to finish with a final 1-hour session. So we'll see who's left running for that one. But it's a pretty, I mean, it's a good track. I like it. It's quite short, good for the spectators because you're inside of a quarry, like a dust bowl. And if you're a spectator, then you can come along and stand at the top. And if you imagine being a kid and you were driving like remote control cars, you really want to come somewhere, and you can stand on top and drive your remote control car around inside. That's kind of the view that you're getting. That found I can hear the distinct sound of the Jimny. They've made it coming down there. Now you see the size of some of these trucks that come down here and like the setups that they've got, like suspension wise. The Jimny is in stock class, and the biggest question everyone asks me is what engine is it? And it's a 1.3. It's a standard 1.3. There's nothing special done to it. But it gets the job done. So I think the only thing we're struggling with at this event is clearance on the rocks, because like the tyres aren't as big, you can't climb as well as some of the other trucks. But I mean, it gives it a good go. I think they're pretty much lined up now, so I'm going to hide behind this tree and let's get stuck in. So I saw Jack and James start in the Jimny. They come past me once, went into that forest over there, and then disappeared. So, well, I've got the Mackies or something. I'll find out when I go back to the pit. Chelsea, Connor, and Bert, they made it up that first hill. I saw them come down, and that was it. So I don't know if they finished the lap either.
There you go, bro. We have the same problem again. New vantage point, but yeah, same problem again. It's the bolt has come out again, even though we welded the end in. The bracket that holds the bolt has bent out.
Give me a nudge forward.
You have to shout, I can't hear you.
Nudge forward, sorry.
Yep.
I'll get out of the way.
Alright. Thought it was in that gap. He's the other side. There you go, they're sending them past us though. Said it's leave it where it is. There's not long left in the round. We haven't got much steering. Still having fun. Oh, hang on! I can't show Connor's. I can't show Connor's head without his hat on it. Is your hat on yet? Yeah, there he is.
You can't show it, so I'll have a laugh at it. I'm sure, and Jack.
Hello, mate. Same one as yesterday.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I'm glad we paid you in biscuits.
Right, see you in a bit. Can I just ask you what happened?
What's going on?
Didn't fancy it.
It's different. Oh, okay.
One sec.
Mm-hmm.
Front wheels just aren't doing anything.
Okay.
So
something front wheel.
exploded front CV. Possible previous damage that then got
Exploded.
yeah, big boomy.
See it's over here.
Oh, okay. Take me on a tour.
Gonna assess the damage. So those two parts there couldn't be two parts. That should be attached to that.
That's a good action shot.
Yeah. I had a tracking shot on my go. And yeah, so lots of bits of metal in there that shouldn't have been.
Okay. I mean, do you have do you have another one, or got time for another one?
Oh, it's fitted.
Ah!
It's good to go.
Yeah!
I did a marathon down because we left the shafts in the hot bits.
Ah!
So we got shafts. Where are they? Oh, they're a mile that way. So I
St.
ran
James.
Down there. I ran down there. Fucking round that hurt. Dove down because it's between the course. So I could sneak down there.
Yeah.
Then ran halfway back and walked.
I'm fitted.
It's been fitted. We've greased the other side to make it fun. Check the back. Just be go. Yeah,
Excellent.
it's good to go again. Now they're fixing their car.
So they have snapped the same bolt that they fixed last night.
At least you know what to do this time.
Yeah.
Or what not to do, I guess.
Really long bolts would help. Anything that's like
Big long bolt.
So we've got some repairs to do to get back out for race number 2. Let's get in.
Is that him? A checkered flag for the Jimny! Yes! Yes!
Oh, the redemption sweet.
After last night, that's so much.
Also, only for you because it doesn't matter to you.
It's good fun
You did
though.
awesome, but we overtook. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Is this yours?
Oh, amazing. This is Bert. He does have pink on him, but
Oh, no, yeah.
look. I got him a bit too muddy, I think. Oh, but yeah, so much fun. We've had loads of teething issues and we've just managed to sort them out now and feeling good. The same with the Jimny. The Jimny was, they were having some issues yesterday, but obviously today has been fine.
Yeah.
Hence the jumping around and hugging. And camera out for a little bit.
That was race number 2. That was fun.
It's insane. And all of the cars are on the track
Yay!
the whole time. Woohoo!
So, I think they've all made it. They're heading back to the pits now. We're going to get ready for the last round, which is an hour long. So.
absolutely ginormous thank you to every single one of you for putting in the effort over the winter, making it here, and absolutely smashing it out on the course. We laid on a pretty hard course with a different format. It was grueling, and you rose to the challenge and got it done. It was just super clean racing by the end of it. Guys that were just chugging away, getting the work done, and putting on some really great racing. So thank you very much for that, and give yourselves a massive round of applause. And because of that, we've seen a lot of team spirit and other teams helping each other to get back out on the track. And we're going to kick off with some prizes for that. First of all, it wasn't planned, but these people have stood out so much as putting in the effort and helping others this weekend. We think we just want to reward them straight off the bat. So first of all, can we have Jack Bold up here, please? The amount of people have said that he's welded up their jump for him last night and got them back out on track. Well done, mate. Thank you.
New welding kit.
Roll welding wire for you. Well done, mate. Thank you. And another one on top of that, the scapegoats. Can we have Chelsea and Jack, both your teams up here? It's been a hard one for you guys this weekend, and we appreciate you putting in the effort. So thank you very much. Extra replacement car to Pilfer parts off last night. Yeah, fair play, well done guys. Have a quick pose for Simon.